The provision of amenities to rural communities. New local authorities sworn in. Managing storm threats. This is the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development Year in Review. During 2016, Jamaica faced a major storm threat, and government agencies quickly activated the National Disaster Response Mechanism. The island was thankfully spared direct impact, but a few parishes were affected by flooding and landslides. Parish disaster management teams quickly went about cleanup and rehabilitation response.
I want to assure the country that the government will continue, if called upon again, to take and to make the same decisions, because we are a government that put people first in real terms.
The local government ministry also had to respond to potential disasters of the man-made kind. After a section of the Royalton Hotel in Hanover collapsed, a 30-day stop order was issued on the construction. The stop order was lifted after a committee established by the ministry gave the all clear. Local government elections were held in November. Mayors across the country were subsequently sworn into office. In 2016, the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development embarked on a national cleanup program. This was in an effort to curtail the spread of mosquito-borne diseases such as the Zika virus, which at the time was affecting the country. Approximately $300 million was spent on the program.
To assist the community in the fight against this mosquito that has been reaping havoc across Jamaica for the last year and a half.
Access to the Riverton City disposal site has been significantly improved. The local government ministry collaborated with the Mexican government and spent $1.8 million to rehabilitate 1.65 kilometers of roadway leading to the area.
Despite your best efforts, if you don't maintain what you put down, then after a while it is going to deteriorate.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced the appointment of an enterprise team to identify a preferred waste management provider for the divestment of the Riverton landfill. The 9-member team, chaired by Littleton Shirley, is to provide its report by mid-2017.
What is likely to happen is that you will now create a more organized industry. You would be creating more employment around waste, solid waste collection and waste management.
Contracts were signed for the acquisition of 2 new units for the Jamaica Fire Brigade. Ground was broken in late 2016 on the construction of a $10 million pilot water shop project in Pennance, Clarendon.
What we are doing today is to start a process to eliminate once and for all the degrading experience of our citizens who on a daily basis have to use any means at their disposal to obtain water.
The community of Alexandria in St. Anne now boasts a new branch library, provided through the collaboration of the St. Anne Parish Council, the Jamaica Library Service, and the Government of Japan. The Cambridge Community Development Resource Center in St. James was officially opened in December, courtesy of $20 million in funding from the United States Agency for International Development under its Community Empowerment and Transformation Project Phase 2. Several infirmaries across the island were upgraded during the year.
We're going to be changing the names of the infirmaries. We're going to be doing a lot more to lift the social basket of that organization.
Restoring communities, improving living conditions in deep rural Jamaica, building stronger parish councils. That was the mantra of the Local Government and Community Development Ministry during 2016.